everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a sewing machine and the cloth like this and then fold it like this from the between and stitch it. Or you can just take a fork, fix the threads, or just put the cloth like this and fold it and fix it with the threads. Now you can put a thread with the help of a pipe cleaner like this and then make a star on the cloth like this. Put the stitches in the same manner as shown in the video and look, your star is done. Next, take a piece of paper or wooden cardboard sheet, fold it like this and then put a cloth over it. Now fold it with the help of the fixing like this and then stretch it like this and put the stitches, and look how beautifully and neatly it's done. Next, you can put a cloth between the charger pin like this and then it will give you a equal type to fix the lace in the between of the cloth like this. Next, you can make a round circular shape like this. With the help of this stitch, you can make these scrunchies very well. So put the threads like this on the sides and fold it like this. Now take another pink color cloth and then fold it in the same manner like this and put these stitches. Now after that, make a circle after it and then double layer it like this and stitch it. With the help of this, you will very easily can make a scrunchies and rubber bands for yourself. Next, we'll be stitching this type of pieces over the clothes. So fold the clothes in the triangle shape and fix them one by one. Repeat the process like this and put them together and fix it on the back side and stitch like this. Now just cut it from the sides a little bit and put another cloth over it like this and then stitch it from the other side like this. Fix it and then you can open the cloth and then you will get this type of texture. Cut it from the sides like this and then fix it again by putting these stitches from the top and you will get a shape like this. You can make these type of patterns and designs on any cloth in the same manner as shown in this video. Put the semicircular cloth and fix it from the sides like this and put the stitches by putting it like this and make the pocket like shape. Now after that, when you open it, you will get a pocket like this and it's done. Next, you can make these stitches like this. So take a dress with the collar and then you can fix it from the sides like this. Put these stitches and then again rotate it by putting another cloth from the side. Fix it like this. Now after that, you will get a stitch like this. Next, moving forward, you can take these type of machines and make these stitches like this. Fix it from the sides like this as shown in the video. Now after that, fold it like this and press the clothes and fix it. And you can fix the threads like this and it's done. Look, here can fix the collar over the dresses in the same manner like this. Now moving forward, you can make some more stitches like this. So take a cloth like this and then fix them by stitching them with the other cloth from the downside like this. So fix it with the help of a stick and put it inside like this of the cloth and then pull it out from the other side. Put the rubbers like this inside it and you can stitch it. With this stick, you can make these scrunchies or any type of rubber bands, or you can put the lace or rubber bands inside the pants and elastic t-shirts like this. Thanks for watching our video.